I just saved an insurance company over 40 hours of manual data entry every single week using a self-evaluating medical document extraction agent. No more typing, no more errors, and zero admin involvement. Most of the founders and operational managers are bleeding money right here. They have skilled staff spending 3 hours a day just retyping data from PDFs, scanned images, and even hard copies into their own CRMs. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's why your operations feels like chaos. And before I move forward, showing you the demo, I want to clarify that due to HIPAA compliance, privacy policies, and our commitment to a secure future, I cannot share the patient data from the company, but I use some publicly available patient documents from the open internet as samples for this demo. Okay, so let's move on to the demo of how this agent saves businesses a lot of time every week. Okay, so first we will upload the document, the sample that we found from the internet. And for example, we use the payment invoice as a sample, and then we just send the file. Or agent just works. While this works, I would like to show this agent right here. Basically, I built this agentic AI system to do three things: extract with precision, validate against business rules, as well as flag only the 2% that actually need a human eye. It doesn't just read the doc, but it also understands the clinical context, which can be clearly demonstrated via this 10 workflow that is opened. And if we go towards the uh, executions, then we can see that the execution has been successfully executed. Basically, this is the brain of the system. And as you can see that everything executed successfully. And here we can see the confidence has been 99%, which is a huge success. When we open this, we can see that this was a document. And one thing I want to discuss further is that we have used S3 self-hosted into our own server to keep everything production ready as well as highly secured, since the companies like yours manage their data and their documents privately to comply with HIPAA and other policies in the region that they operate. So basically, we took this step. And moreover, you can see that the data has been gathered here from the document. And moreover, we can see the clinical data as well, the procedures. For example, we can verify it from here. If we can see the procedures are written here, and exam consultation, which is right here. And in the same way, the billing summary, which will be very useful for insurance companies, which can be seen right here, the total as well as the separate line items. And moreover, the amazing part, which usually isn't covered by most agents, by most common document extraction agent, is the self-evaluating and validation part. This is where the agent actually decides whether to accept the output that it made or escalate it to a human or just ignore it. So this is the part where it hands over to a human or just checks its own results. So as you can see that it validated with the business specific fields that the business wanted, and also the completeness of the document extraction and the quality and the field level check. And we also have the raw JSON here. So this is one example, and when we go towards the generic, the total pipeline accuracy, the average of all the extraction that we did here, so we can see the average is 97% accuracy with 100% success rate. So this is how the system works. And the math is simple. If you're processing 100 docs a day, you're losing thousands in admin time and speed to lead. This system plugs that hole instantly. You scale your volume without adding a single headcount. If your operations are currently manual, and you're ready to automate your clinical workflow, DM MedExtract or book a call at saadk.co/contact. You can also find this link in my bio. Now let's plug that link together.